Adanath Industries, an ISO 9001-2015 certified manufacturer, offers RDSO, railway and metro approved anti-bird discs, a critical protective accessory used in 25 kilovolt railway and metro overhead electrification systems. In urban areas such as stations, bridges, and wildlife-prone sections, OHE equipment is continuously exposed to birds and animals, including snakes, squirrels, and monkeys, increasing the risk of electrical faults due to contamination and accidental contact with energized components. Bird droppings deposited on insulator surfaces accumulate over time and, when exposed to moisture, become conductive, forming a leakage path between phase and earth. Similarly, animal movement near cantilever insulators and fittings can lead to short circuits and unwanted line trippings. In the absence of preventive protection, bird biting and electrical short circuits are likely to occur. The anti-bird disc effectively eliminates these risks by preventing birds and animals from landing, perching, or balancing near insulators and OHE fittings. The anti-bird disc is manufactured from high-quality polycarbonate of V2 flammability grade and is designed as a circular disc with multiple sharp fins. It is transparent, UV stabilized, and fire retardant, ensuring long-term performance under harsh outdoor environmental conditions. A silicone rubber O-ring ensures secure mounting while preventing damage to the insulator core. The disc is suitable for composite polymer and porcelain OHE insulators and can be installed on stay arms, bracket tubes, 9-ton insulators, and all standard cantilever assemblies. Installation is simple and does not require any modification to existing infrastructure or electrification lines, making it an ideal retrofit solution for both new and operational railway sections. In high-frequency railway and metro operations, where every minute and second is critical, this preventive solution plays an important role in maintaining operational continuity and reduction in revenue loss. Indian Railways has successfully installed anti-bird discs across multiple OHE sections, with post-installation experience indicating improved system reliability, reduced fault incidents, lower maintenance requirements, and minimized service disruptions. Adanath make anti-bird discs are fully type-tested at NABL-accredited laboratories as per RDSO standard, ensuring consistent and proven performance in demanding railway and metro environments. Anti-bird discs provide a simple, effective, and proven protection solution for railway and metro electrification systems. Adanath Industries manufactures anti-bird discs in strict compliance with RDSO specification